See, most cleaning business owners don't know their numbers. See, they can tell you how much they made, but they can't tell you how much they kept. No expense tracking, no profit margin. They price emotionally, not strategically. They pay their cleaners more than they pay themselves. Does this sound familiar? If so, then you need to be to the Price for Profit workshop, November the 7th, Atlanta, Georgia. Yes, we're having another workshop right here in Atlanta, Georgia at 11 o'clock. This will be a 4-hour workshop where we're going to be breaking down your numbers in real time. That's right. We're doing a analysis on cleaning business owners' numbers. Okay, this workshop is all about how to profit. Because after all, what are you in business for? If you are not going to profit, you might as well go back and get a job. Okay? So if you're ready to rock and roll, click that link down below and see us out there at the Price for Profit workshop, November the 7th.
All right, so my biggest takeaway was knowing my numbers. Knowing my numbers so I know what direction I need to go in so that I can make the profit that I deserve. So that was my biggest takeaway.
I love it. Scale of 1 to 10, would you recommend anybody to come out to our
Absolutely. I wish it was more than a day. I wish I could spend the night and come back in the morning. But I can't.
So what did I get out of this? A lot. My brain is hurting right now. But at the end of the day, I knew it was the right thing. I'm glad I caught the flight. And I'm gonna tell you, I did it the last minute because I knew I needed it. And I'm glad I came because I feel like I've been struggling with my numbers. And I felt like this right here brought a lot of attention to my numbers, that I need to really not lower my standards just to make clients happy or gain a client or gain a contract. I feel like definitely looking at my numbers, and if it makes sense, again, all money is not all good money, and I'm learning that really fast. And you know, professionally, I'm glad I'm here because I'm taking a lot of information home. And it's not even about the money, it's also community, like finding a community that actually cares. You know?
On a scale of 1 to 10, would you recommend the workshop?
Yes, 100%. 100%.
Encouragement, the motivation that I received while I was here, and working on my numbers. Got to start working on them numbers.
That's what, you know what, that's what everybody said on the last one. They said numbers, and more numbers.
There you go.
Listen, building a business is all about numbers.
That's right.
So, gotta know them numbers.
Yeah, and I really need that motivation.
All right, would you recommend the workshop?
Definitely.
All right. That's all I need. That's all I want to know. You got Mr. Derek.
Biggest takeaway for me, pretty much all the information that was provided. It came across as clear and concise. The instructors didn't pretend they knew what they were doing. It was obvious they knew what they were doing, and they have extensive knowledge of what they do from day to day, and I appreciate it. I'd recommend this to anyone.
Awesome. Thank you.
My biggest takeaway was knowing what to do to get the business started from the beginning to the end, even with the basics, but to stay involved with tenacity, stay in touch so I can learn more as I go along my journey.
I love it. Scale of 1 to 10.
I give you a 20.
All right.